Yo guys, what's going on here? Monkey-D-Lukey for another YouTube video. Today's video, as you can see by these pictures, we're doing a One Piece arc tier list. Yeah, see? Yeah. Thanks for the subscribers recently. 6, sorry. Appreciate it. Let's get into the video straight in. Alright, pardon me. We'll start with what I think to see them. What's ennies, loby, and water 7, mate. Both two goated arcs right there. I mean, I kind of say arc, whether they're not the Sega's. Water 7, Luffy the Usopp. One of the best fighting in the series, in my opinion. Great city. Got a lot of world building there, it's pretty good. Met some new characters, Frankie, ennies, loby, just one of the best arcs in the series really, what can I say? Yeah, it's great. It's really quick, obviously it's one of the best, it's not like agreed upon, it's one of the best arcs in the series, one of the best pretty much. Isn't this a fucking movie? Anyway, where's one I want to put next? Impelled down. I'll put below water 7, well above water 7. Impelled to make great arc. Again, meets a lot of new wacky characters. He teams up all the people he beat. Like, you know, your crocodiles. You meet Vankov. You meet Mr. 2, Mr. 2, Mr. 3 again. Bon Clay. Goat, really. Yeah, meet Magellan. Blackbeard comes in at the end. Just a really good arc, really. And, you know, yeah, just the fact that you only go ace in the goal where he gets the bottom ace is going back to the top again. His Jinbei's there, obviously. Go as well. You just meet a lot of good characters, really, in the series. But yeah. The next one, Marineford, in my opinion, best arc in the series, in my opinion, guys. I feel like, you know, it was a build up for Impel Down, which really made it better. Where he comes flying in the sky, Whitebeard, spoilers, Whitebeard's just death. You get Ace's death, which is, you know, one of the hardest, easy one that says this in One Piece, easy. You see, you know, all these fucking big names fight. You get to see Shanks coming at the end, that's a sick moment. You save what's his name? Save Sabo, I think that's how was he? What's his name? I thought his name was the guy with fucking specs. Colby, that's his name. He saves Colby. Fucking Garp beating the shit. Yeah. Garp saying, why can't you be in a ring to it? It's such a 7 months ready in Marineford. And, you know, it's got a good balance of humour with Buggy in it, action and seriousness, which I feel like is an arc which shows One Piece's best stuff in one thing, some world building, I guess. But also, you know, these are other arcs which you could watch. Alright, next arc. Arabasta. S tier, mate. Again, great villain. And Crocodile, Luffy Crocodile, you know, he's still one of the best fights in the series. Covered himself in his own blood to beat him. It was a sick moment, hype, and yeah, it was good world building actually because you meet Ace, you get to see the different areas of the Alabasta, the poor areas in the outskirts and the rich city in the middle. It was good to see. And you get to see all these like weather things which make things grow faster, which are outlawed. So yeah, it's pretty great. Skype here. That one, that's easy S tier. And a roommate, great villain, cool ability, like his mantra shit. I think it's actually his first thing of hacking in the show. I'm pretty sure. He can like ease people to thoughts, I think. If you think bad about Eneru, you get fucking killed, some you can electrocute you. I think that's it. Ice speaks or some shit. It's pretty cool. Great fight as well. The bell. Good build up to it. Meet Wiper. Another great character, I think. Underrated. You know, just make little catches really. Oh, you get a bit of start. Oh, that's Jaya. Let's do Jaya then. Jaya's A tier. Meet Blackbeard. He's a bad guy until afterwards. You Luffy v Bellamy, which is sick. Yeah. Great arc, really. You see Luffy's already punch a shell. You meet Doflamingo there for the first time as well, actually. Another great arc. Alright. Dressrosa. Man, great arc, hard in my opinion. You had a really fun tournament arc in it. You meet Sabo again. Trafalgar Law's in it, and he fights tons. Sick abilities as well. Great and really interesting to watch. Luffy does Gear 4 for the first time. Zoro beats Shao Pika. Sanji clashes with Doflamingo. Sanji gets a girl for once. Goat mate. Sick really. He's a really good arc. It's really well written. And yeah. The climax, you know, could have been better, I guess. But it was still really good in mine anyway. Well, I get me Bartholomew and Cabbage. Or Cavendish. Get me all like the crew, they make the crew, which is supposed to make a massive breaks on the world at some point, so can't wait for that to happen. Get me those Usopp, God Usopp moment, great. It was just fun, it was a fun arc, and I feel like people hate it because it was long, but forget what actually happened in it. Because if they were it was a long part, it was still really, it's still an amazing arc. Alright. What's next? Amazon Lily. I'll put it A. You meet Bo Hancock. Not much fighting really. Yeah. Is it better than Jaya? I'll say it's not fun now. Sabayori, Belugo, S tier mate. It's better than Alabasta. Me, it's sick. You get to see fucking, they get the goal there, you get to see all the worst generation, you get to see all their cool abilities and powers, and then you get to see Luffy punch the shit out of that eternal dragon. What are they called? Eternal Celestial Dragon, what the fuck? Yeah. Great moment. Really fucking saves Zoro hype. But then you get them separated at the end. But, you know, anyway, still a great arc. What's next? Whiskey Peak. I put him B. He was good. I thought it was really good. Obviously, I really like One Piece. So I think everything's really good. But competitive ones just stand up to the tail, really, does it? It's not better than Jaya. It's still interesting though. It's a good concept of an entire town full of bounty hunters. That was sick. Orange Town. I'll go below Whiskey Peak. Introduced Nami, I guess, and Buggy the Clown. But that was about it really. Kind of, let's see. It don't really happen, to be honest. Arlong Park. Oh, where's that go? Where's that Arlong Park? Arlong is sick bad guy. You have to walk to Arlong Park with the bam bam bam. Playing back on right now. Dun, 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 dun. Sick arc. Obviously you get Nami's betrayed them. And Zoro's basically about to kill her. That was sick. And Sanji stops him because you know he's a sim. But then who else is it? Yeah, and then Luffy fights Arlong. Sick fight. Again. Underrated fight, in my opinion. Get see Sanji get like beat the shit out of this fish man. Zoro fight, hatch out his name is. It's a good thing, really. Ocean's Dream filler. I mean, it's kind of weird. You see Luffy Zoro fight though, so it was alright. Spar Island, just for fan service. I'm pretty sure that's not canon. I don't think. I mean, that's only manga. Little Garden. I'll say it's top 8 here. It's not better than these, but it's still pretty good arc. Get me gory and broggy, I think. Groggy and broggy, I don't know. That was good. And you get to see Sanji. Pretty good, really, I guess. No, it's not better than Jaya. Is it better than Jaya? Nah, it's not. Drum Island. I thought it was good personally. I thought it was really good. Except from the bad guy in Metal Jaw bitch. I still think it was a really good arc. Really not better than Little Garden. I still think, you know, it's a good arc. You get to see some great moments like Oos drop his backstory with that doctor killing himself. You get to see Luffy climb up with like fucking Chopper, you know, with Nami, Sanji, Usopp on his back, all this fucking massive mountain. Just goated moment there. Zoro just fucks off and starts training and goes straight to the great arc. Alright, what's next? This is post Ennies Loby, like that's not an arc, is it? Surely. For the bark. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. I don't know how further, sure. No, but actually, like, for the bark, fuck it, you can go there. For the bark, man, absolutely underrated, like, people hitting it right. Had some good moments. Pretty sure Sanji awakens his fucking. Doesn't he? I'm pretty sure he awakens his observation hockey because the guy's invisible and he starts kicking him because he sees what he's going to punch. I'm pretty like that. That fight with a fucking thing, I thought it was like good actually. Well, the crew team up on him and beat the shit out of him. His fight with that little guy was good, animated. Zoro's fight with fucking. It's a good arc, like, why are people hating it for? I'm just really. Way better than Jaya as well. Hunk Hazard. You know, so you get to see fucking bad Tom with Kuma, mate, come in, just fucking beat the shit out of fucking Piranha. And does that thing, nothing happened. Oh wait, no wait, Hunk Hazard. Oh there. I mean, it was good. It was a sick, like, you know, this island. You can see where the two admirals fought. You got to see like how much power they really do have. Like, they made the fucking entire island change its fucking environment. It's really impressive, really. Other than that, Luffy makes it alliance, I guess. Zoro fights literal dragon, more created by Dr. Vegapunk. Make key in one. Alright. Pretty good. Put that me. Bit long, that one was a bit too long. Barati. Yeah. I'll put it there. It's a better thrill back. It's better than Amazon. Yeah, you know, I guess it'd be Sanji. What his dream is. See, obviously they're all blue. You get to see Luffy fight. What's his name? I can't remember. Is it Morgan? Probably. I don't know what his name was. He has a fucking massive fucking wooden spikes he just shoots everywhere. Luffy beats him. Yes, how's he called? Mihawk come. He just one tap Zoro. That was pretty sick. So yeah. Zoro. Another great arc. But the Zoro get pornoglyphs, see what they actually mean. You see the minks, you see Jack trying to kill them all, and they all get beat the shit off. All get beat the shit off trying to hide this ninja guy. Interesting place, in my opinion, to be. What else was there? Was it good? Log Town. I think it's actually really good there. Log Town, mate. You get Luffy with his fucking iconic smile when he's about to get executed. Dragon comes in out there. You see Dragon, you meet Smoker for the first time. Just sick, really. Nah, it's not a bit. I don't like that. Romance Dawn. Luffy backstabbing pretty much, meeting Shanks, cutting his own eye for some reason. Getting Shanks' arm ripped off, getting the hat. Great moments, really. In the show, iconic, really. Yeah. What else? Syrup Village. Ingo of Orangetown and C tier. Fishman Island. No, underrated. It's better. Yeah. Fishman Island. Another great arc. I feel like, yeah, it's a bit dumb. You get to see on the good fights. Zoro beats a fishman underwater, but it's plus 20 times stronger than normal humans. It's just flexing everyone, really. Sanji's a simp and gets beat a shelf. Luffy does a fucking second, gets off 50,000 people instantly. That was a sick moment. You get to see Nami forgives Jinbei. You get to see Jinbei's backstory, which I think Jinbei's backstory he puts into A tier. With Arlong and how he let him free in the East Blue, so he's kind of Nami's fault, but Nami forgives him. You get to see, you know, the baby bitch fucking mermaid, who was, you know, yeah. And I guess everyone flexing everyone, really, that's what it is. And Luffy tries destroying. You see Joy Boy's apology, which is kind of weird. Because why would you apologise on the fucking pornoglyph, which kind of. Oh yeah. That's fair. Whole Cake Island. I'll put it there. I don't think it's goated, personally. I don't think it's better than these 4 arcs. But it's certainly, you know, Skype just rules the level. Good arc. Finally meet a fucking. What's her name? A warlord, not a warlord. There are 4 emperors of the sea in Big Mom. You see her empire she has, her family. You see all the different characters involved again. Pedro, rest in peace. Katakuri. I feel like with all these fights, right? If it'll still be high, it's fucking cool. Like Disneyland, yeah. Sanji moment with his dad and his fam. Makes a big cake. Luffy fight. Obviously, Cracker, good fight. Great fight, one of the best fights in anime, Katakuri. But in terms of like actual story, I feel like Big Mom could have did more. Because Sanji could have did more because it's like his arc. He's kind of fucking just made a cake and fucked off. So you know. The Reverie. I think it's an interesting arc right there. Yeah. Sabo, you see Sabo, you get to see Bonnie's there. You get to see Barton Rakuma's still alive as a slave still. He's a real old Bonnie, I'm pretty sure. You get to see... Oh yeah, the new Admiral. There's 4 now, I'm pretty sure, isn't there? No, there's not. There's 3 again. Alright. Ryoku or some shit, I don't know what his name is. Get to see the plans for the future. And then the part of Act 2, after you get to see what actually happens, gets the entire warlord system's disbanded. And something happens to the Alabasta royal family. And just how it gets caught. Land of Wano. I feel like it's too early to say for Wano, but it's better than all these already. So, well, it's probably better than Reverie. I just can't. I can't say it. It's S tier for sure. S tier or goated. It depends what happens near the end of the arc, near the climax. Because I like the climax in the anime the most. One Piece is really good at kind of like the build-up's a bit slow, but the climax, you know, it's probably the best part of the anime. Climax of Rainford, Whitebeard died and Ace died. Best moments. Ennies lobby, Luffy beating fucking Luffy, Gatling gunning the fuck out of Rob Lucci. Sick moment. Impelled down. I don't even climax to that. It was build up for that. What's Luffy beating fucking Usopp and leaving the crew. Sick moment. Whole Lake Island, Luffy beating Katakuri. Climax. Sick moment. Dressrosa, Luffy beating Doflamingo. Sick moment. Wano, hasn't had it yet. Skype here, Luffy beating Ring the Bell, beating Eru. Sick moment. Oh, yeah, you gotta find. The climax is probably the best part of the anime, so. Yeah. I'm confused what these are. Silver Mine. Filler. Red and Ocean Stream though. Buggies, Crew Adventure. Isn't it like where he's a little kid? Ice Hunter, sure. Goat Mate. Long Island. Boom. I can't remember some of these fillers. Warship Island. That's not an arc, surely. Verse Mountain, this is an arc more. Get to see Brooks' old friend Laboon. What I thought it was. It's I mean, I'm really happy. You get me Crocus. I think it's better than Drum Island though. So you know, like these aren't arcs, surely. Oh no, that isn't a Return to Sapioli. I'll put it there. I feel like it's just like him flexing everyone really in it, like how he's getting stronger. You know, put it there. The Little East Blue. Post any lobby. Like, what is that even supposed to mean? That is Ennies lobby. I was gonna put it there because I'm just for the Sega there because I like the nice Sega. Post-war. Sure. Post-Alabaster. Alpha. Alright. Go Island. That's not canon. Rainbow Mist. I don't look, can't remember. Z's Ambition. Sounds filler to me. Marine Rookies, filler. G8. Actually good filler. I'm gonna get separated. I'll put it there. You know, you see where I'll go and now, you know, it's actually cool. That's how we can actually help them train. Little East Blue. Can I fucking do it real quick? It's a filler. For sure is. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm just gonna go through this list. I think these Marineford and post-war, these are the same thing in my opinion. Don't think I've done that. Water 7, yeah. Obviously these, yeah, I'm pretty good so far. Okay, Dressrosa, Skypiea, Alpark, Sabiodi, Areka, Velago, Arabasta, Post Arabasta, Reverie, Lando Vano. This could be goated by the end, but yeah, I don't know, I can't say. It's pretty good so far though, especially a flashback. Last latest episode was released on the 2nd of the 5th. 5th 2nd, sorry, 2021. With fucking, who's he called? Odin fighting Kaido, so good animated, oh, sick. Zoro, Jaya, Praia, Romance Dawn, Fishman Island, Thriller Bark, Brent's Heavy Lobby, Locktown, Little Garden, Amazon Lily. Drum Island, yeah. Yeah, I think it's fair, that's just something. Yeah, G8. One of the best fights in Secret there. You get split. Yeah. Oh yeah, so tier list. Hope you enjoy. Hope you don't agree. I like to York and explore. If you think Whole Cake Island's goated, that's only because the fucking fight with Katakuri and that's it. Other than that, it's not goated. It's still really good, don't get me wrong. One of the but it's not this level, is it? But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're free. Comment below any more tier lists you want to see me do. And that'll be this video, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.
Got the